So I finally have the possum packed up for a cross-country trip to California, and you can fit way more in this than I ever imagined. I have a puppy dog, a big puppy, 3D printer. I'm going to show you all the stuff that's under here. Battery so I can run the 3D printer while I'm driving, keep myself entertained. Plenty of camera stuff, sleeping stuff so I can rearrange this stuff and sleep right here next to the puppies if I get tired. Greg the zombie. More puppy space. And all of the electronics and another battery for electronics on the road, and a frunk filled up with stuff. I think we're ready to roll. You guys ready? I got Joy's anti-bark collar on to keep her manageable during the ride. Maybe if you're good, we'll let you out. Now that we got things secured with anti-puppy chew for the wires. Now let's just see if this actually shuts. Shut there. Good on the Falcon door. Hey bud, watch your tail. Awesome. I think we're good to go.